The next presentation that we have for TypeScript are data types and variables. So what we're going to see are first data types in TypeScript. After that, how we can have numbers in TypeScript, integer numbers, floating point numbers, boolean type, string type, undefined and null values as well, and how we can declare, assign variables. So let's start with data types in TypeScript. How computing is working here. Computers are machines that process data. So data is stored in the computer's memory in variable, and each variable has name, data type, and value. Here an example of variable definition and assignment in TypeScript. I'm saying let, here with that keyword we're defining data type. After that the name of my variable count, and then I give value 5. So let count equals 5, and with this I create variable which is with name count and has value 5. So TypeScript is strongly typed language. It more looks like to C# than to JavaScript. It allows most operations on values regarding their types if their type is specified. Values have types, variables also could. Variables can hold only one type, and all variables are declared with the keywords var, let, or const. So here we have var count equals 5. So variable is holding an integer number. Then count, I can say that it's equal to 156. The same variable is holding a different value. Then I can say var name equals sample. In that case, we're holding a string. After that, I can say let mark equals 5.25, where I'm holding floating point number, but then I can change it to true. And here what we're going to receive is error. And we'll receive that actually it cannot assign true to variable of type number. So this means that after I specify this let actually is floating point, and you cannot assign any other data type to floating point instead of only floating point. The third type is constant, and the convention for constant, one of naming conventions is uppercase with underscore between different words. So max underscore count is equal to 250. So name is constant variable that holds a string. After that, if I try to say max count equals 0, I will receive an exception which is saying that cannot assign to constant variable, because with constant the specific thing is that once you assign a value, after that you cannot change it. And now let me explain you about let and var. The thing is coming from there that before actually both of them are identical, but you should better use let. Why? Well, var is coming more from previously versions of ECMAScript, but in latest version of ECMAScript they introduced let instead of var, and in fact let keyword now it's replacing var, and it's suggested to use this one and const as well. Before everything was var, but after that with JavaScript they introduced let and const.